So I want to talk about something different today, which is called the flat twist and how it protects our hairs. I know many of us have our natural hair, but once we wear a wig, we just forget about what is under and how we protect the hairstyle, the hairs under. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining what flat twist is, and how it will help you protect your natural hairs. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl L'Oreal, and we'll talk about all about hairs and wigs. So if you are new to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, kindly leave a comment under this post and like this post and share with your family and friends, even new subscribers too. And thank you for always watching. We love you guys. So today, like I said, is something different entirely, because I usually talk about wigs and how to style your wigs and all. So today I want to talk about our hair on our head. The hair on our head, not the wigs or the installation, is the hair on our head. So we're going to talk about flat twist. I know many of us must have heard of flat twist, and you'll be wondering, what is flat twist? Okay, I'm here to explain what flat twist is and the benefits and everything you need to know about flat twist. I will explain in this video. So flat twist is a form of cornrow, but not braided. No usual cornrow we see is braided, like you do all by different hairstyles with cornrow, but it's not braided. That's what flat twist is. So why do we have to do flat twist? So since flat twist is not braided, it is a form of twisting, but the twisting is laid flat to your scalp. The way you do cornrow, you know cornrow is in three. You just do that twisting the regular way you do twisting, but you have to do it to lay flat to the scalp. That's what flat twist is. So it will lay flat to your scalp, but it's twisted. The hair is twisted in between till it lays flat to your scalp. To any style you want to form with it, that's flat twist. So now I'm going to explain why flat twist is very good for your hairs. Flat twist is a protective hairstyle that prevents your hairs from damaging and prevents from breaking, because when you do the flat twist, all you need to be doing is applying oil to prevent anything, and your hair will grow in between all those times you have the flat twist on. That's what flat twist is. So it's protecting your scalp that way. Flat twist are styles that you do when you want to give your hair a break. You know, many of us just do installations, you do Ghana weaving and everything, and your hairs, you feel that they are breaking at the front, or the middle parts are chopping and they are not going the way you want it. So you can just use flat twist to relax your hair, to calm your hairs down, your scalp down. That way it can last on your hair for like 1 week plus and more. It's a new style, so when you do it, it's still the same thing as you're doing Ghana weaving, so it still looks very neat and beautiful. So it helps your scalp to relax, and it prevents your hair from breaking and damaging. That's why it's protecting your hair. It's a protective style that way, because it prevents damaging and breakage. Also, it prevents your hairs from drying out, your scalp from drying out, because once you have a flat twist on, you just be applying the oils you apply on your hair that prevents damaging and breakage from your hair. So all you just need to apply the oil in between, or the cream, or anything you apply on your hair. So that way it keeps the hair moisturized all the time, and your under hair is growing. The underneath of the hair is growing that way. That's the good part of flat twist. It protects the hair and also gives it moisture. The next I'm going to talk about is the difference between flat twist and the regular twist we have. Because many of us will be wondering that it's not regular twisting we do, normal twisting, braided twisting and all. What is flat twist again? So the difference is that the regular twisting is just 2 strands you pick, then you twist it. That's the regular twist, and it drops. But flat twist is lining the hair like when you want to do cornrow, regular cornrow. Then you pick the twisting, each line, laying it flat like you're doing cornrow, different styles of cornrow. You lay, because it lays flat on the scalp. That's the difference between the regular twisting and the flat twist. That is the 2-strand twisting and the flat twist. Flat twist is a form of 2-strand twisting, but it lays flat to your hair. But the regular twisting doesn't lay flat to your hair. That's the difference between flat twist and the regular twisting. I'll also talk about the difference between flat twist and cornrows. Okay, now cornrows, number one, is that when you want to braid your cornrows, you pick three part of the hair for to start. Isn't always in threes to braid to the end of the hair, but flat twist is in two strands. One is three, one is two strands. So that two strand, you are twisting it in between the hair, twisting it in between the hair. Number two, flat twist doesn't take long. It's something easy to do and it's fast compared to braids, the cornrow braids. Cornrow braids takes a while for you to finish it. That's the difference. Then lastly, flat twist, it's not as painful as the cornrow braids. Because cornrow braid, when you are making it on your head, because some people have delicate scalp and their scalp is always painful, and people are very lucky and their scalp is not always painful. But one difference between cornrow and the flat twist is that flat twist is less painful. The tension on the head is lesser than the cornrow braided style. So cornrow braided style is always painful, more painful than the flat twist. That's the difference between cornrows and the flat twist. And also there are different ways you can do flat twist. We have the loosened flat twist and the tight flat twist. Okay, the loosened flat twist is those ones that are always loosed. They are not always so firm and you don't expect them to last long the way you want it. But the tight ones, they are very tight. Like they are tight in terms of it's very neat and it lasts for a while when you make it. It lasts for long. And the difference also is that when you loosen out the loosened twist, the curls are always more popping. Because there's a time that you want to loosen out your twist. When you want to loosen it, you'll see it forms another different curls. And you even wonder, wow, this is a different look entirely. I'm showing you all those things in this video. So the different look that comes out with loosened one is that the loosened type is always bulky. The curls are always bulky, while the tight ones are always very coily and the curls are deeper and they're very nice. So the tight ones always have a very nice bouncy look after when you want to lose it and give another look on the hair. They always have that a nice look after. That's the difference between the two styles. I'm going to talk about how to do a flat twist, how to make it on your head. So firstly, what is usually done is that you wash your hair. You wash your hair, then you clean it up, then leave it slightly damp. That way you can apply your leave-in conditioner to moisturize the hair and any other hair treatment you are putting on your hair to moisturize the hair, to give it a very lovely look. So when the hair is damp that way, it's easier to style when you are doing the flat twist. It's easier to, and it gives that look that you want because it gives it that very lovely shine and niceness you want it to be. So when you're done applying all those products, you detangle by combing it with your brush or anything you want to use to comb your hair with. So that way it's always nice. Then the next thing is that you part your hair. It might be the all back style you want, it might be the ponytail style you want, any style you want to do with the cornrow. You part your hair to that style. So after parting the hair into the section you want, you after that part that section you've parted already, you divide it into two again. You know the regular cornrow, you divide to 3 when you want to start the beginning part. This one you divide to 2. So the beginning part you divide it to 2, then you twist, then you start attaching the other hair strand to it. You attach, you twist, you attach, you twist, you attach, you twist, you attach, you twist till you get to the ends of the hair. That's where you style flat twist. Any style you want to do with flat twist, that's where you do it. It's easy like that. When you get to the end of the hair, well, for the twist to not be losing out, you have to use the edge control, any type of edge control you use, or the gel you use for your hair to hold it firm at the tip, so you'll be able to twist till the end of the hair very well. Because it's a natural hair. Natural hair tends to lose easily, like the other type of braids attachment we use. Attachment are still firm than our natural hair. So that way you can use your edge control to hold the ends, each ends, then twist to the end. That's the way you do it. Or some people even use maybe rubbers to hold the tip so they won't lose out. Different ways you do it. But the ones I know very well is the fact that you use your edge control to hold the hair strand very firm and it will last you. So after twisting to the end of the hair, you apply the same method till you get to each strand of the hair, that any style you want to achieve with the flat twist. So with that same method, you go with the twist at the front, then you pick in each strand, twist, pick and twist, pick and twist till you get to each end of the hair. So that way you'll be able to achieve your flat twist on all the side of the hair. So that's basically it about flat twist. With that being said, you'll be able to achieve a flat twist style. It's easy, as you can say, it's easy. It's not hard. So now I'm going to talk about how to maintain the flat twist hairstyle. Maintenance is very important because it helps your hair to grow. Because the reason you're doing flat twist is to free your hair from the regular hairstyle you do. So it helps your hair to grow. In the process of growing is because of you're able to get a chance to apply the hair oils you use and maybe the hair cream you use to make your hair grow. So you'll be having undergrowth underneath your hair to be able to make your hair come out very full and lovely when you loosen it out. Also, the other way to protect a flat twist from getting rough and loosened is when you want to sleep. That was very important. You use your scarf. There are different types of scarf. You have the satin and the silk style. So you can use the satin or silk style of scarf to tie the hair. That way it's keeping the moisture locked in and also making the hair firm and tight. So that's the way you can protect the hair. Then lastly, what I would like to talk about is the look after you losing out the flat twist. Like there's this magic that comes out after losing it. Some people just basically do that flat twist just to get that look, full look and a coily look after that comes with it. So when you're losing out your flat twist, whether it's the loosened type or the typed one, there's this beautiful curls that come out with it. Like it's very lovely. Like you think that the person is an half cast. No, it's your natural hair. Like it's very beautiful. That's the beauty that comes out with flat twist. So I'll be showing you in this video the pictures or the videos of the loosened out look of the flat twist. I mean, both the loosened flat twist and the tight flat twist. So I believe with this video you'll be able to understand what flat twist is and how to style a flat twist and the reason you need a flat twist. So if you're able to watch this far, that means you love this video. And click on the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also leave a comment and like this post and share with your family and friends. Thank you for always staying true to our channel. We love you always and thank you. See you in our next video. Bye.